What's up guys, David1 here, and today I have a video on a package I just received from Newtype HQ. Not sponsored by the way, but just I ordered this a couple days ago. Came in real quick, so that's great. Let me show you. Nice package. Not dinged up or anything, so that's good. So yeah, it won't really fit too well on the screen, but I'll try to open it under here. So let me get out my pocket knife. Open it up. Now I already know what's inside here, but you guys don't, so let's see here, where's the part? I don't want to cut into the box. There it is. Sorry about this. Here we go. There we go. You can probably already see what's inside. It is the real grade 1/144th GPO1 full burn-in. That'll do a build. Got some other great stuff. This is some, I do believe it's, yeah, Tamiya paint, and then some Vallejo mecha armor. There's the order details underneath. So we got ourselves a nice box right here, not beat up or anything. So we got the real grade. Open this up. We got our Tamiya paints, so only 5. We got, should be X7 red, gloss red, X4 blue, X yellow, X8 lemon yellow, and then XF 86 flat clear, and then this should be gloss white. So yeah, came in nice and fast. And lastly, we got the, I think it's gray primer from Vallejo Mecha Color. So yeah, that's all we got. We can't really fit everything in here. But yeah. I'd highly recommend buying from Newtype. This is my first time buying from Newtype, but those are two contradictory statements. But they showed me that it's nice and quick ordering, and kit came undamaged or anything, so that's another bonus. So yeah, this is David1 signing out. Bye.